kubor ki babnya la ban sedang shen ye kajing ti Dewiong katkum kajing start science ha Meghalaya hadien ba ka Sokar Pdeng kala Pdiang ye ka mining lease Jong South Li ki Nongtih Dewiong ha Meghalaya haba pen pau ye kani menta ka sngi menteri rang ba konrat ke sangma uloong bada kani ka Sokar kala la ban job ye we uding pen kyang ha ka ba ye dei ba kajing ti Dewiong katkum kajing start science wat hadien ba ulakam ba ki aka baro ken yat bet yat ranti ringkat ki rukomti da ka ba pendan kam da ka buat technology katkum kajing thmu Ukonrat ulaong bala penbet ben penlong ye kajingalang berki agency lani ki Nongtih Dewiong ki bla yo ka mining lease ha Nongtih ha ka ba on penlong ye ka program pen ko buram na ka benta ki jing persyang ka Sokar banti Dewiong katkum ka jing start science
will have to be done then by the respective miners on the technology to be implemented as per the mining plan. But my point is that from that moment, so the moment the lease was given, that is a very, very important step because after that now, as I said, we have crossed the most difficult hurdle and now we are on our way to see the process of scientific and legal mining starting in our state. We expect, of course, we will not see everything change in a matter of days, or we're not going to see everything change in a matter of months also. It will take time. But at least there is a clarity now. At least we know where we are heading now. At least the fact that we are going to see the scientific and legal mining start within a matter of months is something that's going to happen now.